Okay guys, I hope y'all have had a good snow day. I got to play in the snow twice today, super fun. We're going to learn Synchronicity by the Police this week. So check it out, we're in 4/4, 4 beats in a measure. And that little goofy hat thing is a half note rest. That means that for 2 beats of that 4/4 measure, we're going to rest. The 3 looking thing is a quarter note rest, and then beat 4 is a snare drum. I'm sorry. So right there on beat 4, you just play a snare drum. 1, 2, 3. Then the groove starts. Start with a crash and a kick, and then you go ahead with a hi-hat for the rest of this 4 measures. You can just kind of think about this measure as what you play over and over, but you start it with a crash. So you got a kick and a hat, hat, snare and hat, 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 snare and a hat, kick and hat. That groove does this thing. So here's slow, just 1 measure. I'm going to play that 3rd measure on the paper over and over slowly. If you don't get anything else out of today's lesson, get that section. Really cool groove. Alright, after that, here's the 2nd line. What Mr. Copeland does there on the 2nd line is he adds a crash on 3 and 4 of the 2nd measure. Then he repeats the 1st measure and the 2nd measure at the end of that intro. We still haven't heard any vocal yet, except Sting singing kind of like an oh, that thing. Like, I can sing like most singers, but not like Sting. The dude's crazy high pitch. So check this section out. So that's how you play that, the end of the intro. That sounds kind of funny, but the end of the intro. And when Sting starts singing the verse, he gets his hi-hat really tight. He does some variations of this. You know, he occasionally adds some hi-hat stuff and a couple extra kicks, but this is the main idea of the verse. Just the same kind of thing that we were doing up there. Now, after that, there's this kind of, you know, once he sings the lyric at all, then we go into a ride section. I don't know if you call it the chorus. I don't know if you call it the, you know, the pre-chorus. I'm not sure what we'll call it. We'll just call it the ride part. And then he's got an accent on 1, 3, and the and of 4 while he's playing the ride and that same groove. So it goes kind of like this. It's kind of a ride, you know, accent pattern that's a little schizo through there, but it's, just listen to it, you'll be able to pick it up. Now, at the lyric Daddy, we go, we stay on the ride and we go to just a basic rock beat, what I call rock beat number 1. So buckle up for that. It's a pretty quick pace. And then this little road map will get you back from the hi-hat section to the verse, to this ride part, to the circled part, to the hi-hat part, to the lead, which is the same thing. All the way through the end of the tune, you'll be able to use these grooves to play this song. So check out Synchronicity 2 by the Police. Stuart Copeland's playing. Excited to see everybody's progress on Interstate Love Song this week. And check out my Beat Lab, guys. Pretty cool. There's a couple kick drums on this kit. You know, 4 toms, and it's a fun place to kind of escape and rehearse some stuff and write new beats and mess with my drum stuff. So I'm really proud of you guys for practicing. Big ups to Max, who won the Practicer of the Week. And I will see you guys online this week because of the snow. And I'm stoked on you guys, so practice hard.